The Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE, is an interplanetary spacecraft that was launched on 14 April 2023 by the European Space Agency, and will reach Jupiter in July 2031 after 4 gravity assists and 8 years of travel. In December 2034, the spacecraft will enter orbit around Ganymede for its close-up science mission. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is known for its iconic Great Red Spot, strong magnetic field, and numerous moons. JUICE is a mission that will study 3 of Jupiter's largest icy moons: EUROPA, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons are of particular interest to scientists because they are believed to have subsurface oceans that may harbor life. The primary objective of JUICE is to study these moons in detail to understand their geology, composition, and the potential for life on them. To achieve this goal, the spacecraft will carry a suite of scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and radar instruments. One of the key instruments on board JUICE is the Radar for Icy Moon Exploration, RIME, which will provide detailed information about the subsurface structure of these icy moons. RIME works by sending radar waves into the moon's surface and measuring how they bounce back. This will allow scientists to create a 3D map of the subsurface structure, which will help us to understand the composition and potential habitability of these moons. JUICE will also carry the submillimeter wave instrument, which will study the atmosphere of these moons. SWI will measure the temperature, pressure, and composition of the atmosphere, which will help us to understand how the atmosphere interacts with the surface and whether there are any signs of life. Another key instrument on board JUICE is the ultraviolet spectrograph, UVS, which will study the composition of the atmosphere and surface of these moons. UVS will measure the amount of UV light that is absorbed and emitted by these moons, which will help us to understand the chemical composition of the surface and atmosphere. In addition to studying these moons, JUICE will also study Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetosphere, and its interactions with its moons. JUICE will carry a magnetometer, which will measure the strength and direction of the magnetic field around Jupiter and its moons. This will help us to understand how the magnetic field interacts with the moons and whether there are any signs of activity, such as volcanic eruptions. In conclusion, the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer is an exciting mission that promises to unlock the mysteries of the outer solar system and provide important insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. By studying the subsurface structure, atmosphere, and magnetic field of Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, JUICE will provide a comprehensive view of these icy worlds and help us to understand their potential habitability. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more space-related content.